Tour. Start from the front. Right here is the bathroom. It's got 3 shower heads. So weird. Got this over here. The sink. Coming into here, we got the full kitchen that comes with silverware, toaster, a coffee maker, dishes, and everything. And it has a dishwasher. Okay. This right here is the island where people can sit down. Right here is the table, like a dining room table. Okay. Some chairs, the couch for people, extra people who are going to spend the night who do not have their own room. And this is the balcony. They're draining the pool because it's fall. Okay. And then there's the room. And you can see right outside. That's it.